welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
I mean, it's been like
Months.
how many months? Yeah, exactly. If you didn't get the title of this video,
School, big change. If you guys don't know, I've been homeschooled up until what the frick are you doing? Up until 8th grade. But so I started going to public school for high school. And it was a big change. What I'm saying is that it was a big change for me, and I had to adjust to it before I could, work my schedule around it, right? So we're gonna be going back to our roots today. We're gonna be doing a cooking video, me and Josh.
yeah.
You guys remember cooking videos, don't you?
Yeah. And I'm your special guest, guys. Crazy.
All right, guys. You know what we're gonna be doing today? So there's these weird things, and I call them cupcakes. Basically, you take dough and you pop it in a cup, and then you just microwave the cup, and the dough cooks itself, and it makes a little cake, and it's delicious. So yeah.
This is total experimental, guys.
All right. So first,
I'm gonna get materials for dough, which is going to be
get milk and eggs.
milk. Well, those are egg. Milk and eggs.
Flour, sugar. You can use imitation vanilla flavoring, I guess, if you're a cheap boy. Make it rise. Baking soda and baking powder.
Those are the best. Combine the two to make a perfect thing. Wait, so how many cups?
So we're gonna be making one for both of us. So 2 cups. Oh, frick. Very nice.
Welcome, punch!
We're doubling the recipe right now. So if you want to make just some for yourself, just go ahead and half it.
So yeah, remember, half our recipe if you're just making one for yourself. Everything else, you guys are mathematicians. Number 1.
One thing you always got to know when you're cooking: for every cup of flour you add 3/4 cup of milk. No, we are not. No, we are not.
You little turd,
Young man.
Spank you with this. Oh, this stuff's gonna be so greasy. It's gonna be awesome.
You're gonna be greasy. Frick.
It's so satisfying.
All right, Josh. Take your cup. That should be good right there.
What?
Yeah, it rises.
Oh. There's so much more left.
Okay. Easy. Nice, fluffy, nice texture. Yes. If you check it out, it looks uncooked on the outside because you can make lines in it. See that? But if you dig in, it's fluffy. It's moist. Oh,
Ben, you just spilled my cake everywhere. Cocoa.
yeah, gross. Dude, I might feel this. Feel this. Yeah, I don't know why yours came.
Okay, 3,
Hold on. They need to see it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, frick! It came out. Hot.
That's good though.
It's hard. It's hot all over my cup.
Wait, are you not gonna eat it?
Very good. It's a little bland. I know I haven't uploaded. I'm literally filming on a laptop right now, which is the saddest thing ever. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash like.
And you want to smash it with that forehead, just like whoa,
Do it again.
whoa.
Very nice. All right, say bye, Scout. Frick, you can't see her. Scout, say bye.